I'm Jacob Harris. I work for Bilfinger Westcon. I'm their corporate safety director. We just got onto the INET program, and so our base group, we've got it set up as 125 monitors, transferring from the ITX monitors that we had before. We're on a bunch of different location sites, from gas plants, power plants, greenfield construction, maintenance work, you name it, we kind of do it. So one of the biggest problems and difficulties we've had with our gas monitors is compliance a lot. Ensuring that the sites understand and are calibrating them properly, to make sure that they're actually functioning the way they need to be able to provide the service they're meant to. So INET will give me huge visibility to be able to see that the sites and ensure that they are actually calibrating them the way they're supposed to doing the bump tests, and that they're functioning. And then the second side, to have the reports coming back to see where alerts are happening and what areas or what plants or projects I'm having problems at. We need to look at corrections and things that need to be changed. We actually just installed or set up our first INET DSX docking station on our first project, and it's our worst potential that we could have. We're running off an air card and a switch, and that's it. And walked in with the instrument, had our electrician build a cable for it, installed the cable, got it all run, nothing happened. Went back, but I'm getting no lights at all, so I knew it was the cable's issue, so redid the cable, put it in, finally got it working, lights going. Took a second, made a little adjustment, it downloaded, functioned, it came up, we were able to put the instruments right on, get them all docked and ready, and they're up and running today. So we showed up there about 4 o'clock last night, and by 6 o'clock we were running at the site. So it was fantastic, exactly what we were promised it would do, and not disappointed. So to have a company that cares, that actually has a mission and model that they believe, is phenomenal. Most companies don't. You talked about the bottom line. A lot of companies, they're just looking at that. To have that, it's a phenomenal thing that you guys are doing here, to make it possible for us to be able to carry it forward. And you guys, it's great that you guys have that, but you can't accomplish that goal without us doing it. So we're the ones that have the workers working, and if we're not implementing these programs, if you guys aren't developing them so they make sense for our industries, we'll never reach the goal. So it's key that we work together to understand what needs to happen, how to make it make sense for our industries, and make it work with us. Otherwise, it's a great idea you guys have, but if it stays in this building, it won't do anything. We've got to get it to the field, so keep it up and get out to see us. That's where we'll make it happen. So.